Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei MatePad SE, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your toggles from the top right corner or right side of your screen, like this. It will give you a bunch of toggles right here. You can swipe down on them again to extend the list of these toggles. And you're looking for obviously battery saver or power saving mode, whatever it's called right here, but I can already see that it's not added by default to the toggles. So we will need to add it ourselves by going into this little toggle right over here and then select Edit Switches. And when you swipe down, we have power saving mode. Once you see this, hold it. This will change the text right here to drag here to remove. So I'm gonna drag it over to the top, drop it, and when we go back, save, we have now the toggle right at the bottom. So from here, simply tap on it. Gives us a nice notification, so power saving mode saves power by disabling features such as auto sync. Wow, thanks Huawei for the super almost like non-informative explanation on what it does. So anyway, let's just select enable, and I'm gonna also add a couple more things. So the sync, what it means by the only info that gives you is it disconnects from Wi-Fi when you're not using the device, and because of that it will save power, but as a result you might not be getting any kind of notifications that are relying on internet connection, or if you're getting them, you might not be getting them right on time when they're being actually like sent to you. So it might be, I don't know, every 10-20 minutes or so, depending on how often the device decides to connect to network, just to check for updates, if it even does that. And obviously some visual effects will be reduced, so animation might be a little bit choppier. The processor sometimes is also clocked down to save power. I don't think it does it right here, but could be. I have no way of knowing. It's not like Huawei informed us about it. And the brightness sometimes is also reduced, along with screen on timer being changed to lower time. So those are some of the things that might be happening here, but Huawei just decided not to include in the explanation. Anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode and you want to go back to the normal mode, simply find the toggle once more, tap on it, and everything should go back to functioning as it did before. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.